Well, Magnum PI asked about coffee futures and if it is time to short. My name is Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is January the 7th, 2025. And I'll look at this weekly, I'll turn to the weekly chart, the weekly coffee futures chart. And what I did is I did a Fibonacci retracement application here, and we found that coffee futures are selling right where we anticipated they would at that 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, right around that 332 level. Now we failed to close on the weekly above that level. There's been a few trips above there on the daily, but if we have not closed above there on the weekly time frame. So what this level here, we often think and anticipate that's going to act as a level of resistance, and we anticipate a pullback down to ideally one of these other Fibonacci levels. You know, it may be down as low as 288, maybe down we retest this other breakout, which is actually plausible, most likely. It's that 260 level. But let's look at the daily chart for some more things going on. What I do is I put on some anchored volume weighted average prices by these purple lines here, one from the high of December 10th and also down here the November 19th low. And you can see that the price has really been trading between those levels for, quite some time now, and we're finding, they're being pinched between, the price is being pinched between these two Fibonacci levels. So one of these levels is going to break, and we'll see either break to the upside, which suggests that we will see more buying. But if we break to the bottom side, we anticipate that the average person will start selling. So if you've been long since November 19th and the average holder of the contract is losing, we're losing at that point below that 315 level and likely accelerate in their selling. So how low can it go? Well, there's a 50-day moving average here, but I think ultimately that if it does break below there, we're definitely going down to 308, 309, maybe down to 288, say 290 is a round number, but I do think that it's got the possibility of 260. So where would you short here? Well, it's I guess you could short right here if you want, put a stop above 332. But I would probably want to, see a lower low below 316, maybe below this anchored volume weighted average price, below 315, before I would get comfortable with a short position. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.